Just ordered and received in the mail the OVO 700 Air Watts hybrid cyclonic central vac unit, and here's what the unit looks like. I could have shown me unboxing it, but I figure that's boring and you guys should know how to open a box. This stuff was just inside of the canister. You click it open here. It's pretty straightforward. It does come with one bag and the manual. So I got this off Amazon, but I couldn't really find any reviews about it, so I'm going to kind of give it some reviews. The first thing that I see is it's got this reset button here. It's got a little LED light here, and there's where you plug in your low voltage. Here's the electric plug, and here is where it hooks up this piece, and it will just fit like this. So it's pretty straightforward. Here's the exhaust port on the side, and on the top is where your input goes. Now the only problem with that I've seen so far on this is I would like there to be, it would be nice if there was a switch on the side for you to just flip it on. Mainly to just, you know, if you're trying to test it, or maybe you have a port really close by and you don't want to run the low voltage wires too. It's not, none of that's a big deal. You could easily put a switch. So that's not a real knock against it yet. It's just that's just something I see at the beginning. And also it only has the one intake port, whereas I have seen other models of different central vacs that have multiple intake ports, so that you could just automatically go ahead and start vacuuming in your garage and you don't have to set up a port somewhere else. But I'll go ahead and get this installed. It does come with a couple of different mounts here. So in my garage, we already have OSB plywood on the wall, and I've already identified where the studs are, so I'm not really worried about it holding up there. But I'll go install it real quick, and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I installed it, like I said, behind this drywall was already plywood, so I just made sure that it hit into the plywood with the hanger. Got it hung up. You can actually hear it's running. Came in this mode. I just ran a sweet 90 out of it. You can see the pipe doesn't look good because I just dry fitted it. I'm going to come back and do it correctly, because there was where it actually entered the house. And here is your low voltage wire that runs all through the house, and it comes in and connects right here. Doesn't really matter which one's which. And so what happens is when you turn on the vacuum, it sends it through here and sends the signal through here and turns the machine on. That's basically what happens. So far I'm really impressed with it. It's got good suction. Like I said, these pipes aren't even glued yet, so there may be some air loss, but it's not significant, and that wouldn't be a problem with the vacuum itself. So yeah, it was simple. It took about, after I figured out where I wanted to install it and how to hook in to my existing system, it took about 10 minutes to install.